Hi, today in this video I'm going to talk a bit about command and control frameworks, and then I'll show you a command and control framework that I have worked on called SpyderC2. So to give you a brief, command and control frameworks, as the name suggests, it lets an attacker gain control over a victim machine and lets the attacker issue malicious commands to a victim, which it will execute and return back the results. If you look at some of the popular kill chains like the Martin Lockheed cyber kill chain or the MITRE framework, you will see the C2 or the command and control stage coming right after the exploitation phase, where the attacker has leveraged some sort of vulnerability or some social engineering tricks to gain control. There are quite a few command and control frameworks that are publicly available, like Empire C2 and Cobalt Strike. In fact, there is a website called the C2 Metrics, which will give you more info on these popular frameworks. Anyways, so I evaluated some of these frameworks for some time back last year, and it all seemed so cool. So that's why I wanted to create a C2 framework of my own for better understanding. So the C2 framework that I worked upon is called SpyderC2. I've been working on it for quite a few months. It's available open source on GitHub and it's still a work in progress. So let's just dive right into it. This is my GitHub profile and I have this repository called SpyderC2 here. So if you want to check this out and follow me on GitHub or star or fork this repository, that would be highly appreciated. So let's just go right into few of the features of this SpyderC2 framework. But before that, one note would be this project and this video is solely created for educational purposes. Please do not use it for doing any illegal stuff. So the first feature that I have in this framework is that with this framework you can target victims running Windows, Linux and even Android operating system. Now being able to target Android devices, that's a feature that I have seen to be missing in a lot of the popular C2 frameworks. So you get that advantage of using my framework. The next thing is this framework is fully dockerized, so you don't have to go through the hassle of setting up various stuff to make it to work. Now coming to the various modules that you can run on the victim. So by modules I mean, once you have been able to infect the victim, modules would be the various kinds of malicious stuff you can do on the victim. So the first thing that you can do is take screenshots of the victim machine, and then you can also take out their browser history and bookmarks. For now it only supports Chrome browsers. You can also see the various processes running on the victim, and you can also try to download any file that might be present on the victim machine. There is also a persistence module which will let you be connected to your victim even if they restart the machine. So a new connection will be automatically made in that case. And the last and actually the most dangerous module that's supported is getting a reverse shell from your victim. So you as an attacker would get a terminal back from the victim, and someone who knows what they are doing, they literally can do anything with the shell. Also, when the victim will click on the small executable or the stages that is generated from this framework on their machine, no window will pop up, it would look like as if nothing happened, and they won't be able to suspect a thing. And lastly, writing new modules up for this framework is easy and it's modular. So you would be able to contribute to this framework if you want. I'll have a video later dedicated to contribution. So that's some of the features that I have been able to implement in the C2 framework. In the next video, I'll try to go over how to install this framework in your machine and start using it. Thank you for watching.